Rear brakes on this Nissan. They're easy too. 14 for this guy right here. Sorry. We're just gonna do this one tap. If you wanna push the piston back, put your flat screwdriver, press it like that. Alright? Move this. This one is dry. We're gonna grease that. Now this is what we're doing here. Look at this. Brake pads. I'm gonna do this too. I think they are 18 or 19. Okay. Alright. It's 19, by the way. I'll do the one at the bottom first. One. Two. Now we can split this in two. Let's brush this and clean it. It'll come off. Clean all this. Add the right stuff for this. Same way I clean the front one. Pretty much. Do this all the way around. Push this one. That's how you push the piston. I'm gonna put this guy back. Oh, before you put it back, gotta lube it. What's that thing? What's that thing? What the fuck? Okay. Still. Put it back. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. The pads. Like that. This one gotta go on top. Do the same. There you go. Put some lubricant here and here. Back in there. Lube this guy. Put it back. Lube this guy. Put it back in there. Push it in. Tight it. That's a 14 right there. Tight it. Snag it with a ratchet. Wrench. Whatever. That's pretty much it with this baby. Alright.